We did it! Nice, nice!
Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. You can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland and today we are trading on the binary options as usual. Today we have a $50. We're gonna work on a 1 minute time frame, and if you're a beginner, watch this video till the end. Here's a lot of most useful strategies, straightforward strategies, and you will increase your money with me. Also, don't forget about a YouTube channel. You will find link below in the description. There are a lot of signals, there are a lot of, you can just copy trade me if you don't have time for trading by yourself or with my signals. Also, there's a lot of information and strategies, and you can text with me. Now we can know each other a little bit closer, if you know what I mean. But okay, only for job for trading. Okay, let's start. All the currency pairs I just already been picked, and indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Band. Yeah, and of course they reside because of this. Set the period to 13 on the Bollinger Band and the deviation to 2. Let's move to the RSI. Set the period to 13 as well, the overbought zone to 80 and the oversold zone to 20. Okay, the main indicator is Bollinger Bands, and the RSI is operating one and helps to specify trading signals. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna touch a lot of time my hairs, not because I'm some special, no, because I didn't use some stuff to hold them. So yeah, let's get started. Let's find the better currency pair. Okay, we see the pullback here. I just tried to drink Red Bull, but I think it's good. I think we should open a short here. Yep, the touch just has happened here, and the price should probably go up, but I don't think so. I believe the price will hit this upper zone first, and after this strong pullback, by the way, the local high was updated, the price should go lower down to this zone, because previously the price was moving in the upper part of the channel, and now it should continue going lower. That's why we open a short position here. We didn't open a counter trend trade. Instead we're playing with the trend here, and we already see a good breakdown. There are 13 seconds left. I guess we can just wait and watch the position, and I can drink this soda. Okay, the first position is on profit. We caught a great opening level, not the best one that I want to show, but it's okay. It's okay. For the first position is actually good. So there's no stopping. We just started, as I said, first position, just the beginning. Let's find another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. Find a better trade entry. Well, here I'd rather to open a long position. Let's point out the workspace for that, right? And see what do we get. So the local low was updated. The touch did happen here. The price started going up. It bounced off this level just like that, and we observed the upward dynamics on the other side, upward. And a tiny correction seems to have happened here, and I believe the price will continue moving to the upside. We open following the counter trend line. So yeah, if we draw it, then here it is. I mean, we didn't open with a trend, and I think this trade entry is gonna play out. And I'm expecting to see the breakout at the end, and the price should go to the upside. So let's just wait. We have 10 seconds. And the second position is on profit. That's good. Change the amount and updating the page. Okay, we update it. So let's continue. Let's find another currency pair. Let's see what do we got on the market. So let's open a short position here. I like it. I point out the workspace. In this case, we don't open according to the counter trend line. So here it is. Yeah, we open with the current trend now from this local high. So we count on this. On this, we can see the more upward mood remains on the market according to the RSI. The price moves slightly lower the 50 mark. Basically, we see some kind of reversal from level 50. Also, there's the touch. Now, there's no touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and it tells that we're going to expect some downward dynamics and the breakout. So yeah, some downward dynamics, and the breakout is imminent at the end, as always. So I hope we're gonna end up in profit. So let's just watch. 5 seconds left. Let's wait for it. No. Oh, okay. We end up with 0. I would just want to start celebrating, but the price is going to hold at this level for a while. Not a big deal. Let's continue our trading session. It's okay. It's just a 0. And I'm not angry at all. Okay. So we see that upward dynamics prevails here. Really strong one. That's why we're opening long here position. So I think we cannot lose here. The local high is about to be updated. The price is hitting to the upside. I'll point out the workspace, of course. And previously the downward dynamics prevailed here. And after updating local low, after the touch of the lower boundary here, the price started going up. The previous local high is approximately at this level. I think the price will definitely break it out. And after this future breakout, we will see the continuation of the downward movement. But now we open along. This is not a mistake. So the breakout has already happened. Really good one. Look at this high volatility candle. They're rounded. 11 seconds left. So yeah, left before the closing. Let's just watch. Let's just wait. Sorry. Okay. Alright, another position is in profit. Forget about a 0. There's nothing. That was easy. So we updated the amount. The dog is barking. I wish you don't hear that. So yeah, let's continue. Let's carry on trading. The touch seems to be happening. I should have opened short here, but now it's too late. The breakout has happened. Here's also a low volatility movement, so let's take our time and look at other. So yeah, the touch happened, the price went down. Let's change the RSI settings. I think these numbers are gonna work better. So let's count on this setup. Okay, let's see what do we have with the new settings, because we missed 2 positions. I don't see anything good so far. Well, the touch is happening here. Let's play ahead of the market, guys, and open a long position. I'll point out the workspace for you, and let's take a closer look at this price range. First of all, there is the touch of the support zone, also the touch of the lower boundary of the channel, which is buy signal. So we follow the rules and open a long positions here, and after that, let's watch the outcome. What's gonna happen next? If the candle goes very high, then it's a good sign for us. A huge breakout is gonna happen. So yeah, waiting for breakout. 17 seconds, and you can see the breakout just start having momentum. All right, nice breakout. This is a good sign for us. The position is on profits in the next 3 seconds. I guess that's good. And yes, of course, we're in the profits, guys. Let's change the amount. $600 on our balance, and let's continue. Let's find another currency pound. Pound. What is this? This is some French. Okay. Let's open on this peak. we have to open a short position here. I think we're gonna make it on a 1 minute time frame. I'll point out this very zone and let's analyze it, guys. So this is resistance zone. Previously the price broke it down here. The touch of the resistance zone is happening here, as well as the touch of upper boundary of the channel. Right, and basically the downward dynamics should follow up. And if you look at the other side, there is some kind of reversal shows up. That's why we opened the short position. So there are 12 seconds left. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for our profit and see what we're gonna get. Okay, another position is on profit, guys. Congrats. I'll change the amount and I'll refresh the page. Okay, so we're good. Okay, let's continue our trading session. Well, I'll try to find another good trade entry. For example, here. Okay, we open a short. You saw that? I got it. You can call me Lightning McQueen. It was so close, I didn't want to miss that chance. So, bim, bam, bam. Here we go. Let's point out this massive support zone. Basically, this level is very strong. The local low is not gonna be updated here because the previous one was way higher, right? And it tells us that the best option here is to open a short position, and we cannot ignore the downward dynamics on the other side. Yeah. And after this pullback, now let me just point out, after this pullback, now I think the price should go lower. That's the basic, guys, basic dude stuff. That's exactly what happened here. We were lucky to get such a trade entry. A few more seconds and that was beautiful trade entry. It's like I don't know, some kind of beautiful car. Did you see that? It's like me every day. My BMW, it's just so beautiful. So that's this position is the same, and there's no problem for you to make the same things. Okay, let's open here 2 long positions. We're a little bit unlucky, not as before. We should have opened a little earlier, but it is fine, not a big deal. I was Lightning McQueen only once, because look at here, the updating of the local low did happen here. Yeah, and the resistance zone seems to be forming. Then we see the touch of this zone, then rebound, and I wanted to open the position right here. But we were a little late, guys, and I think that after this huge correction, the rebound is imminent. The correction should take place. Here, also the touch of the oversold zone did happen, and this is a really good signal, guys. Basically, the breakout is gaining momentum. For now, not bad, even for our trade entry. I thought it's gonna be much worse, but for now it's good as expected, and we got our profit. So yeah, let's not stop it, let's continue. So yeah, let's continue our analysis and check what we got here. Look, we opened a short position. All right, dude. All right, I'm talking with you. Talking to you. I think it's not that vital that we open here or lower. I'm expecting to see some breakdown at the end. God's sake. Yep, the touch of the support zone has happened here, and we see this huge correction to the downside. A strong player entered the market, and I think he's not going to give up that easy. No. Not that easy. And this is a kind of default situation, right? The price goes sideways, after which it should continue going down. So that's guys why the best option here is open a short position. So because anyway the trend is downward and opening a short really makes sense. If you similar situation on the chart, and our position has been cost and profit. So yep, we did it. Nice positions, good. Let's not stop here, and let's open our final positions, I guess, in order to consolidate our gains. So let's continue analyzing, let's make it. We're gonna find, of course, the better currency pair for the final positions, and with the most profitable payout rate for it, right? So let's take a look at this one. We see a rejection here. The local low was updated, right? So point out workspace. Okay, the updating of the local low. Now let's just, this is corridor, price corridor, updating of the local low took place here, and then the correction to the downside, no, correction to the upside followed up, and that we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. And considering that the price moves within the price range and we don't see the crossing of overbought zone on the other side, so it indicates that the downward dynamics prevails and opening a short position is the best option here. We already see a huge breakdown, guys. Nice. And a few seconds left. Come on. We did it. Nice. Okay, we got $11,600. Wow. But for me it's basic. Okay, it's just daily stuff. And that's what we managed to earn today. What a day. Let's move and withdraw our money, $11,600, and the address goes there. And okay, transaction is being processed. I'll attach a screenshot, of course, at the end of the video. And then for now, that's all, guys. I'll go to the beach again. I just came from here, that's why hairs do that stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you later. Don't forget about YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions. See you soon. Have a good trading and market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.